All right. Doing so much crap to this car. Pitiful. Changed the whole color scheme. Jams and all. Now I'm doing it. I got to go get some new interior. Redoing everything in here. Gonna reposter that. Fix the seats. Headliner was just redone. Right now I'm rebuilding these pillars. Here's this side. I had to get it from another car that was already broke up, but I fiberglassed it. Got it going. I'm making custom door vents because I only got one for right here. Get out of here, cat. That's it. Came out great. It's just duplicolor white and duplicolor gold. Did a pinstripe underneath the second layer of clear, flow coated it, and then striped it, and then came back with another stripe, borderlined it. A lot of work. I ordered the new weather stripping. That's gonna be all new. Around the doors too. Everything. I'm making a dash cover. Finna put some bang in here. Make a new 6x9 back dash. Redo these. Oh man. .350 engine. I gotta clean it all up and detail it, you know, black paint and zip ties and all that good stuff. There's chrome. It's got chrome in there too, but I gotta get it right. It's getting there. And I don't know what shoes I'm gonna get. So thanks for watching.